There are many stitches on the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 2.0 that can be used for applique. Now, if you're thinking like a blanket stitch, you're going to notice you have quite a few different varieties of a stitch that kind of jumps down and over and back. Now, they all stitch out slightly different. Some are wider, some are longer, some have 2 stitches in between each jump. I highly recommend that you take time to stitch out all these decorative stitches so you know what they look like. And I always have to go back and kind of see, okay, well, based on this project, I want it to look like this. Now, if any of these stitches are facing the wrong way, meaning they're biting to the left and you need them to rotate and bite to the other side, remember you've got the mirror image. You can always flip that around and be working around the correct way around your applique, because some days all your fabric gets kind of all bunched up in here and you need the stitch to go the opposite direction. So if I'm going to go ahead and stitch around this star, what I'm looking for is a stitch that's going to just be real simple. Now this star is not very big, so I might even reduce the stitch width down and maybe even the length. This is actual size, so that does give me a little bit of an idea. Okay, it's going to be pretty small. The other thing that I highly recommend is an open toe foot, and that way you can see where you're going instead of looking through the little plastic of the feet that come with this machine. Speaking of feet, if your information is not showing, touch the I for information, and it is recommending that we put the 1A foot on the machine. Now that is a dual feed foot, so that has the little opening in the back, but it does have that clear part. I can see through it, and I will be able to follow with some of these red marks how to guide it around my fabric. Do utilize the needle down feature so you can easily pivot when you need to, and then also just stop when you want. Now, another thing I always use with applique is the ability to just tap the toe of the foot control and it'll take a half a stitch. So sometimes when I'm on the bite of the blanket stitch, I'm on the inside, and I just want to go back out to the other side, I can go ahead and just tap that toe and make sure I don't get too many stitches and stop exactly where I want. Now there's always the fine art of actually getting to a point, for example, and knowing when to actually pivot to fabric. And that just takes a little practice. Now you can easily see why having a open toe foot would be much more practical for seeing where you're going. But the idea with a blanket stitch is that you run the stitch right along the raw edge of what you're following. And the way this stitch is set up, that red mark on the foot will let me easily guide myself around that option. Now don't forget, if you're going to stop and you need to lock out some stitches, you have the immediate tie-off button that will let you do those stitches, lock it, and then be done. Be able to cut your stitches right where you want it to end. So blanket stitches, again, can be altered for different widths, different lengths, and there's all sorts of variations on this machine, so try them all out and see which one you like the best.